US President Donald Trump on Sunday, local time, criticized several NATO members and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni for not supporting efforts against what he described as Iran's very serious nuclear threat. In a post on Truth Social, Trump expressed dissatisfaction with allies whom he believes have benefited from decades of American security commitments but are unwilling to support Washington when needed. The remarks came amid ongoing diplomatic engagement between the United States and Iran, including technical talks held in Switzerland under a 14-point Memorandum of Understanding or MOU. Trump questions NATO allies' support. In his post, Trump specifically referred to Italy and Prime Minister Meloni, stating that despite the US spending trillions of dollars on NATO and defending its allies for decades, some nations were unwilling to participate in efforts concerning Iran. He argued that while America has consistently provided security support, allies have failed to reciprocate when called upon. Under Article 5 of the NATO Treaty, member countries agree that an attack on one member is considered an attack on all and commit to collective action in response. Meloni rejects Trump's allegations. Trump's criticism follows recent tensions between the two leaders after their meeting at the 52nd G7 summit in France. The US president had earlier alleged that Meloni sought a photo opportunity with him and Leto tried to restore friendly ties for political gain. Responding on Instagram, Meloni dismissed Trump's remarks as constant, unprovoked attacks. She rejected suggestions that her popularity depended on her relationship with the US president, stating that her political standing is based on her ability to defend Italy's national interests. The exchange marks the latest public disagreement between the two leaders as Trump continues to press NATO members for greater burden sharing and stronger support for US-led security initiatives.